Meaning of gilded.
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 Gilded. The word gilded is an adjective that describes something that is covered with a thin layer of gold, either literally or metaphorically. When something is said to be gilded, it suggests that it appears luxurious, but may not necessarily be so in reality. It can also imply superficiality, as if something is being prettified without addressing its underlying issues. In essence, the idea of gilding is to create a facade of elegance without necessarily investing in real substance. Overall, gilded is a term that implies superficiality and the appearance of wealth or luxury.